Dear viewers, as you can see on the screen, one side is running my original face cam video and other side is face swiped video with the celebrity or any other face you want swipe your face or reface or face change, it called deep fake. How you can do this all process with just simple and easy steps, but one thing you have to keep in your mind that you don't have to misuse of these deficiencies or this opportunity that you use only for your educational purpose. So we continue to our video and then see how we can do this all the process. You have to follow each step so you can learn and then you can do it easily. So let's continue to our topic. Now you can see the new interface on the screen, this interface of the deepfake. So we have to copy this to drive. First thing, we copy this to drive. We click the copy to drive. It will refresh your screen to give you a new tab. I will put the link in description so easy for you to use. And then after refresh, you can see here the connect GPU. You have to click the connect GPU. It's connecting now. It depends on your internet connection that how it's fast. So if your internet connection is fast, this one will work more fast. Now we have 3 steps, so you have to follow each step and then be patient. If it take time, be patient. It will work 100% because I try multiple times and then 100% work, no any error. Now our first step is clone root repo and install deficiencies. And then you can see here the play button. You have to click the play button to install the requirements on your PC. But this one is the only temporary basis install. Once you complete your deepfake photo swiping or video swiping, it will automatically remove. And then if you want to repeat another time, you have to follow the same process again. You have to do the same things again. You have to follow the each steps and then repeat it again. So it will not permanently install in your computer. Just when you want to use, you just play and then use, and then after that exit. That's it. That is the simple and easy method. So first step is running. Once it complete, we follow the second step and then third step. All 3 steps done. After, we have to proceed our picture to video swiping. Now as you can see here is green tick. So our first step is done. Now second step is download model, and then you have to click the play button. The second step also done. And then third step, GPU support. Click the play button to give the GPU support. Now you can see on the screen our 3 steps all done. And then here you can see the folder or files option. You have to click that one, and then you have option the plus to upload the files. So I am going to this girl swipe with this photo. The Kajal picture I want to reface to this girl. So this girl becomes Kajal, Indian actress. So let's see how we get the results. So what we need to do, we have to click the upload files. You have to make sure the video or picture don't have any numerical or a space or a special character in the name. So you have to rename. For example, I just rename here. Now I select the video to import here, and picture also I import here. So we have to wait for the uploading. Once it upload done, now you can see here here is mp4 file and then here is jpg file, and then if we scroll down here we have the deepfakes. So what I need to do, I click the mp4, here 3 dots, and then here click the copy path, and then here select the content Brian mp4 until mp4, and then you have to paste here using the control V, and then delete one slash, and then also jpg file copy path, and then select and then control V, paste. So our both path file is already done copy. Now here you can find out the play button. So here is our process start. If we click the play button, so once we click, our swiping process is start already. You have to be patient. It depends on your internet connection how it fast. So be patient. You no need to do any action, that just wait until the swapped mp4 file is here. You can see here got new file. Until you see here the green tick, all process complete, you can download your video file with the swap face. So you have to be patient. Okay friends, so as you can see our swap mp4 video is done already, and then you have to click the 3 dots and then download. So our video is downloading now. Once it complete, automatically play, and then you see the results. So here are the results. As you can see, the Kajol face is already replaced with that girl. You can see very good results to this video. I really not imagine that we can swap the face like that. It looked like real. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.